welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn food and taste vocabulary. Rotten. These bananas are rotten. Unripe. The bananas are unripe. You must not eat it. Ripe. The bananas are ripe, so we can eat them now. Bitter. Black coffee without sugar is often bitter. Sour. Lemon have a sour taste. Spicy. Try not to eat too much spicy food. Sweet. This candy is too sweet. Greasy or oily. These French fries are very greasy. Fresh. These breads are fresh. Stale. The bread had gone stale. Salty. I added too much salt to the soup and now it is too salty. Mashed. We had some mashed potatoes with our meal. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.